Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Okay, new year, new you, right? One thing I want to discuss are kitchens. Kitchens are undoubtedly probably the most cluttered area of the home in any home we go in. The countertops often get full of things that maybe don't need to live there, projects, to-do lists, what have you. The problem with that is when you are trying to cook your food, do some meal planning, meal prepping, put your dishes away, do your dishes, get ready, all that kind of stuff. It can be extremely challenging if your kitchen is cluttered. So here is my tip for you this week. Let's figure out what we need to do to your kitchen to make it work for you. And that means, do we have a system in place for cooking food, prepping food, plating food, cleaning up the food, dishes, putting stuff away? Does everything have a home? If not, let's do a major kitchen pull out and declutter, and then see if we have space for all of those really, really important things. For me in my kitchen, I need to be able to see my food in my fridge. I need to be able to see my healthy options in the pantry, and I need to be able to easily cook and prep. So when I'm putting my stuff together, everything is in eye level between kind of like chest to top of head. That's really important for me. And if I can get my kitchen functioning that way, I can see everything I need and I can do all of the things in the kitchen that I really want to get done. So don't underestimate your prime real estate in your kitchen. If you have any questions, reach out and let us know. All right, and I'll see you next week.